Every day, thousands of Nigerian business owners wake up facing the same broken system. They need supplies, they need materials, they need trusted partners to keep their business moving. And almost every single one of them finds their raw material suppliers the same way: word of mouth and trial and error. There has to be a better way. Powered by Google Gemini, RUNNR is Nigeria's AI-powered marketplace. Simply describe your business, and RUNNR's AI automatically maps your entire supply chain, identifying the tools, materials, and resources your business depends on, then surfacing trusted local suppliers already listed on the platform. No searching, no market runs. Your supply network built for you in seconds. And for everyday buyers, RUNNR brings market intelligence to your fingertips. Our price tracking system monitors listing prices over time, so you always know when you're getting a fair deal and when to wait. Search nearby, compare prices, contact sellers directly. RUNNR. Find it, source it, run it.